Toyota's electronic parking brake system, or EPB, is designed for convenience and safety. However, when warning lights appear on your dashboard, they indicate specific issues that need your attention. The red EPB warning light is the most critical indicator. It appears when there's a system malfunction or when the parking brake is actively engaged. This requires immediate attention. A yellow or amber EPB light indicates a service requirement or partial system failure. While not as urgent as red, it still needs professional attention to prevent further issues. A flashing EPB light signals an active fault that needs immediate attention. This indicates the system is experiencing a real-time problem that could affect your vehicle's safety. Now let's clear the dashboard and examine the most common issues that cause these warning lights. Understanding these problems helps you communicate effectively with your technician. Based on recent Toyota service data, calibration problems account for 34% of all EPB warnings. These occur when the system loses its reference points for proper brake operation. Motor wear represents 28% of EPB failures. The electric motors that operate the parking brake can wear out over time, especially in harsh driving conditions. Sensor malfunctions cause 22% of EPB problems. These sensors monitor brake pad position and clamping force, and when they fail, the system cannot operate properly. Finally, wiring and connector issues account for 16% of EPB warnings. Corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wires can disrupt communication within the system. Toyota has recently enhanced their EPB diagnostic capabilities, providing more precise error code identification through the OBD2 system. This improvement helps technicians diagnose problems faster and more accurately than ever before. Understanding these warning indicators and common causes is your first step in addressing EPB issues effectively. When you see these lights, you now know what they mean and can take appropriate action. When your Toyota EPB warning appears, the first step is proper diagnosis. Use Toyota TechStream or equivalent diagnostic tools to identify the specific error code causing the warning. Before proceeding with any EPB reset procedures, ensure your vehicle's battery voltage is at least 12.6 volts. Low voltage can cause reset failures and additional error codes. Access the EPB reset function through your diagnostic tool. Follow the manufacturer-specific calibration sequence, which typically involves cycling the parking brake and allowing the system to relearn its position. Understanding EPB components helps with troubleshooting. The system includes the control module, electric actuators on the brake calipers, and various sensors that monitor brake position and force. Regular maintenance prevents EPB issues. Perform calibration every 30,000 miles, follow Toyota's severe service schedule for brake fluid, and keep control modules updated with the latest firmware. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help you address most EPB warnings and ensure reliable operation of your Toyota's electronic parking brake system.